Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you about best alternatives to small business loans. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Securing financing for a small business can be challenging, especially when traditional bank loans seem out of reach. Fortunately, there are several alternatives to small business loans that can provide the capital you need. In this video, we'll explore the best alternatives to small business loans and what you should consider when seeking funding. One popular alternative is business lines of credit. This option allows you to access a predetermined amount of funds as needed, similar to a credit card. You only pay interest on the amount you draw, making it a flexible solution for managing cash flow or covering unexpected expenses. Lines of credit are particularly beneficial for businesses that experience fluctuations in revenue. Another option is peer-to-peer P2P lending. This method connects borrowers directly with individual investors willing to fund their loans. P2P lending often comes with lower interest rates than traditional loans, and the application process is usually quicker and less stringent. This can be an excellent choice for small businesses looking for fast access to capital without the lengthy approval processes typical of banks. Merchant cash advances are also worth considering. With an MCA, businesses receive a lump sum payment in exchange for a percentage of future credit card sales. While this option provides quick funding, it's important to note that MCAs can come with high cost and short repayment terms, making them a more expensive choice in the long run. For those needing funds specifically for equipment financing is a viable alternative. This type of financing allows you to purchase equipment while spreading the cost over time, often using the equipment itself as collateral. This can help preserve cash flow while ensuring you have the necessary tools to operate your business. Invoice financing is another alternative that can provide immediate cash flow. This method allows businesses to borrow against their outstanding invoices, giving them quick access to funds while waiting for customers to pay. It's particularly useful for businesses with long payment cycles. Crowdfunding has gained popularity as a way to raise funds through small contributions from a large number of people, typically via online platforms. This method not only provides capital, but also validates your business idea by demonstrating public interest. However, it requires a solid marketing strategy and can be time-intensive. Lastly, consider microloans, which are smaller loans typically offered by nonprofit organizations or community lenders. These loans are often designed for startups or businesses with limited credit history, making them accessible to a wider range of entrepreneurs. While alternative financing options can provide quick access to capital and have more flexible eligibility requirements, they often come with higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms compared to traditional loans. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that aligns best with your business needs and financial situation. In summary, when traditional loans are not an option, there are numerous alternatives available. From lines of credit and peer-to-peer lending to merchant cash advances and crowdfunding, each option has its unique benefits and drawbacks. By understanding these alternatives, you can make informed decisions that will help your business thrive. So that's basically all about best alternatives to small business loans. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.